Michelle. I'm a runner. That is my very favorite thing to do. And last year, when I was out on one of my normal morning runs, I was attacked by a man with a knife who tried to sexually assault me. And I got away and spent about a year really struggling and not being able to run like I used to. And that's ultimately what brought me here to Lightning Kicks, looking for some self-defense help and a little bit of my confidence back. Yeah, it made me feel terrible. Running was always something that was really empowering to me, and all of a sudden it was the exact opposite. I wasn't having fun doing it. I was scared every time I went out. I was diagnosed with PTSD, and I was really struggling for a year. I was looking for a self-defense class for women, and it was advertised, and I came in not really knowing what to expect and had a really great experience. Took the level 1 class twice and the level 2 class once, and decided that I wanted to train here permanently because I liked it so much and it was so helpful. Yeah, for sure. I was super hesitant. I didn't think it was going to help me at all. People told me I should take a self-defense class, so that's really the reason why I was doing it, mostly because I was told it was help, and I was nervous. I didn't know what to expect, and everyone here was just so nice and welcoming and made me really comfortable, and I learned a lot, and it made me feel a lot better. And so I would 100% recommend it. If you're hesitant, come on and give it a try.